What causes etch marks on marble? If you've ever seen cloudy marks, dull spots, or rings on marble and thought that they were water spots, you're not alone. But in most cases, those are etch marks. The direct answer is simple. Acids cause etching. But here's what we know from experience. The simple answer always sparks more questions. But what if this? Does sealing stop it? Is it the same as scratches? That's why I'll give you the clear answer here and point you to the related FAQs if you want the full picture. So what is etching? Etching is a chemical reaction. Marble is made of calcium carbonate. When an acid substance touches it, anything with a pH below 7, so that's 1 to 6.9, it reacts instantly. The surface dissolves at a microscopic level, leaving a dull or chalky mark. What makes it worse? Two things. Number one, the strength of the acid. Vinegar, lemon juice, wine, coffee, soda, tomato sauce, even many cleaners. Number two, time. Here's the key. Whether it's a quick splash or an overnight spill, some level of etching always occurs. The difference is whether it's shallow and faint or deep and obvious. Etch plus stain? Think red wine. Red wine is the perfect example. It etches because it's acidic, but it also leaves a pigment behind. For more on that, check out our FAQ, what's the difference between a stain and an etch? Does sealing stop etches? No. Sealers help slow stains, but they cannot stop a chemical reaction. For sealing details, see our FAQs, how can I tell if my stone is sealed? And how often should I seal my stone floors? Etches versus scratches, they both make your stone look dull, but they're not the same. Micro scratches scatter light, while etches are actual surface loss. More on that in our FAQ, why is my stone countertop dull after cleaning? How do I fix these etches? So, they can't just be wiped away. Restoration is needed, some level of grinding, honing, and polishing. So this way the surface can become flat again. We cover this in our How Do I Remove Spots from Stone? Spoiler, most are water spots. So a recap. Etch marks equals something acidic made contact with your stone. A reaction is instantaneous, whether it's a splash or a spill, it's an etch either way. Sealers protect against stains, but not etches. Etching is not the same as scratches, and fixing requires restoration. So what's the method of prevention? Well, use a pH neutral cleaner designed for stones like a Clean Story Marble and Granite Daily Stone Cleaner. It's safe, streak-free, and available on Amazon. Links are in the description below. And if you happen to be in the Chicagoland area or neighboring suburbs and are already dealing with etching, call us, CSI Absolute Clean. We specialize in stone restoration and can bring clarity back to your marble. That's what causes etch marks on marble, and why the answer is simple, but the reality comes with a lot of what ifs.